Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy announces new sanctions on Russian missile and drone firms. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy today announced the imposition of new sanctions targeting companies involved in production of Russian missiles and drones, as well as entities linked to Russia's financial sector. In a post on social media, President Zelensky said that sanctions have additionally been imposed on entities supporting Russian cryptocurrency mining and related activities. He added that parts of these measures would also be included in the European Union's upcoming 20th package of sanctions against Moscow. Since the conflict in Ukraine began in February 2022, Russia has become the most sanctioned country in the world, surpassing Iran, Syria, and North Korea. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.